Breakfast stands as the pivotal meal that sets the tone for your day's rhythm. It's more than just a routine. It's an essential step toward a productive, energized day ahead. Welcome back, dear viewers, to another insightful session with Light Upon Lights. Commencing your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast isn't merely about filling your stomach. It's a strategic move toward enhanced decision-making and sustained vitality. Skipping this crucial meal deprives your body of essential sustenance, leaving you feeling sluggish, destabilizing your blood sugar, and shrouding your mind in a haze. Embracing a breakfast rich in nutrients fosters sharper concentration, mitigates the risk of diabetes, regulates cholesterol levels, and maintains an upbeat spirit. But the question arises, which foods wield this transformative power? Are avocados on the roster? How about yogurt or the merits of wild salmon? Today, our focus is on these breakfast champions that promise a day brimming with productivity. Eggs, the timeless nutritional powerhouse, stand tall as a breakfast favorite for valid reasons. Their protein-packed yolk and whites, coupled with heart-friendly unsaturated fats, deliver an unparalleled morning boost. Their versatility in various culinary preparations ensures a fulfilling meal that staves off mid-morning cravings and supports weight management. Pairing them with sweet potatoes or ground turkey amplifies their wholesomeness. How do you prefer your morning eggs? Share your culinary secrets in the comments below. Moving to unsweetened plain Greek yogurt, it's not just about the probiotics. This creamy delight spells a perfect beginning for those aiming at shedding a few pounds. Its nutritional content fuels your day, aids digestion, and a post-workout blend of yogurt, water, and a pinch of rock salt soothes those tired muscles. Oatmeal emerges as the go-to gluten-free, weight-conscious breakfast option. Its simplicity belies its nutritional prowess, swiftly providing soluble fiber to stabilize blood sugar and satiate your hunger. This humble meal, when embellished with organic nut butter and fresh fruits minus the artificial sweeteners, makes for a nutritious, vending machine-resisting delight. Nut butter, crafted from almonds, peanuts, or walnuts, brings a delightful creaminess laden with heart-healthy fats and protein. A spoonful of this goodness in your morning smoothie or salad bolsters your protein intake, especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. Studies even suggest that nut butter aficionados tend to maintain a healthier weight. Chia seeds, the nutritional powerhouse, has rightfully earned its health craze status. Bursting with antioxidants, fiber, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, these seeds elevate any breakfast dish. Sprinkling them over yogurt, salads, or incorporating them into smoothies or cereals contributes to a fulfilling and weight-conscious start to your day. Avocados. This morning superhero pairs divinely with toast, offering a powerhouse of nutrients akin to the benefits of olive oil. Championed for weight loss, its consumption curbs snacking urges, boasts of unique unsaturated fats essential for heart health, and shields the body from various health risks. Bananas, lauded for their potassium prowess, are a package of fiber and valuable nutrients. Adding diced bananas to your morning fruit bowl or smoothie energizes your mood and supports digestive health while maintaining optimal blood pressure levels. Spinach, the unsung hero, packs folate and muscle-building fiber, shielding against common health issues faced by many. A mere handful of this powerhouse leafy green in your morning omelets or juices promises a world of difference, preserving muscles, enhancing blood flow, and delivering a nourishing breakfast. Berries, the vibrant and nutritious gems, hold the throne as one of the healthiest breakfast choices. Packed with heart-friendly antioxidants and vitamins, incorporating them into your morning routine aids weight loss and cellular protection while amplifying blood circulation. Ever contemplated beginning your day with sweet potatoes? These nutrient-rich, low-glycemic tubers harbor compounds aiding in fat burning and offering satiety to lunchtime. Their inclusion diversifies breakfast options, outshining the conventional pastries or bagels. And don't overlook black tea. Often underrated, its caffeine infusion boosts alertness and mental acuity, making it an excellent alternative to your regular cup of joe. Its robust flavor, once acquired, ensures sustained focus throughout the day. Salmon for breakfast may seem unconventional, yet its omega-3 richness and clean protein content forge a unique, filling meal that meets daily nutritional needs. Breakfast, the fundamental foundation for a day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day is a phrase ingrained in our cultural consciousness, and for good reason. As the first meal following a night's rest, breakfast plays a pivotal role in setting the tone for the day ahead. Beyond mere tradition, numerous studies and experts reinforce the profound impact of this morning meal on our overall health and well-being, fueling your body and mind. Consider breakfast as the fuel that jumpstarts your body's engine. After a prolonged overnight fast, consuming a nutritious breakfast refills glycogen stores, providing essential energy for physical activities and mental functions. Carbohydrates obtained from breakfast foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables serve as the primary source of energy for the body, aiding in concentration, productivity, and attentiveness throughout the day. Metabolism and weight management. Contrary to the belief that skipping breakfast might aid in weight loss, research suggests the opposite. Regular breakfast consumption has been linked to a more efficient metabolism, helping maintain a healthy weight. When you skip breakfast, the body might compensate by overeating later in the day or craving high-calorie foods due to increased hunger, potentially contributing to weight gain over time. Improved concentration and cognitive function. The significance of breakfast extends beyond physical health. It profoundly influences cognitive abilities. Studies consistently demonstrate that individuals who regularly eat a nutritious breakfast exhibit enhanced memory, concentration, problem-solving skills, and overall cognitive function. Children, in particular, benefit significantly from breakfast as it aids their learning abilities and academic performance. Mood enhancement and emotional stability. The effects of breakfast are not restricted to physical and cognitive domains, they extend to emotional well-being. Starting the day with a balanced meal has been correlated with improved mood and reduced feelings of irritability and fatigue. Nutrient-rich breakfasts, including proteins, healthy fats, and antioxidants, can positively impact neurotransmitters, promoting emotional stability and resilience to stress. Choosing a nutrient-packed breakfast. Not all breakfasts are created equal. Opting for a balanced meal comprising whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fruits or vegetables ensures a nutrient-dense start to the day. Foods like oatmeal, Greek yogurt, eggs, whole grain toast, nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits offer a well-rounded mix of essential nutrients, setting the stage for a productive day ahead. In essence, breakfast serves as the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Its impact on physical health, cognitive abilities, emotional well-being, and overall productivity cannot be overstated. By recognizing the importance of this morning ritual and making conscious efforts to prioritize a nutritious breakfast, individuals can set themselves up for success, vitality, and well-being throughout their day-to-day lives. Remember, the way you begin your day often shapes how the rest of it unfolds. So, embrace the power of breakfast and make each morning a nourishing and energizing start to a fulfilling day. Remember, breakfast is a vital cornerstone in a healthy routine, fortifying your body with essential nutrients and fortitude. Discover more about weight-loss-friendly breakfast options or incorporate these superfoods into your daily diet for an all-encompassing health regime. What's your breakfast routine? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Let's curate the perfect morning meal together. Breakfast, often hailed as the most important meal of the day, serves as the fuel that jumpstarts our metabolism and sets the tone for our energy levels and focus throughout the day. A well-rounded breakfast not only satisfies hunger, but also provides essential nutrients vital for overall health. Here are some tips to craft a nutritious and satisfying morning meal. Prioritize protein and fiber. Incorporating protein-rich foods into your breakfast offers lasting energy and helps curb mid-morning cravings. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of protein. Pairing these with high-fiber foods like whole grains, oatmeal, quinoa, whole grain bread, and fruits, berries, apples, bananas, creates a balanced meal that supports digestive health and keeps you feeling full. Diversify with fruits and vegetables. Including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables not only adds vibrancy to your breakfast plate, but also provides a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whether fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies, fruits like berries, citrus fruits, and tropical options offer a natural sweetness and a burst of nutrients. Meanwhile, adding veggies such as spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers, or avocado can elevate the nutritional content of your morning meal. Mindful carbohydrates. Option for complex carbohydrates that release energy gradually, promoting sustained focus and preventing a sugar crash. Whole grain options like oats, whole wheat bread, and brown rice provide valuable nutrients and fiber compared to their refined counterparts. Balanced with protein and healthy fats, these carbs offer a steady stream of energy without the rapid spike and drop in blood sugar levels. Healthy fats for satiety. Incorporating sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your breakfast can enhance satiety and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. These fats are essential for brain health and maintaining cell structure, ensuring a well-rounded and nourishing start to your day. Mind your portions. While it's crucial to consume a nutritious breakfast, portion control is equally important. Balancing your meal with the right proportions of protein, carbohydrates, fats, and fruits/vegetables helps in maintaining a healthy caloric intake. Being mindful of serving sizes prevents overeating and supports better digestion. Hydration is key. Don't forget to hydrate. Starting your day with a glass of water or herbal tea replenishes fluids lost during sleep and kickstarts your metabolism. Consider infusing water with citrus slices, cucumber, or mint for added flavor and benefits. Preparation and planning. In our busy lives, preparing breakfast in advance can be a game changer. Consider meal prepping or simple make-ahead options such as overnight oats, pre-cut fruits, or smoothie packs. Planning ensures a nutritious breakfast is within reach, even during hectic mornings. Customize to your tastes. Ultimately, the key to a sustainable breakfast habit is finding what works best for you. Experiment with various ingredients and recipes to discover combinations that suit your taste preferences and dietary needs.